Hey, thanks for watching CNN 10. Our daily 10-minute shows are on pause for the summer, but we will be posting clips like this Monday through Friday until our regular programming resumes in August. So please enjoy, and to get notified of our content, please like and subscribe to this channel and keep up with us at CNN10.com.
You've probably heard of Google Street View, and maybe you've used it a bunch of times over the years. It's now 15 years old, and we're in Mountain View at Google Street View Garage, where we're going to check out some of the cameras and see the newest one that's going to be coming out.
We build these amazing cameras. They're actually assembled here. So version 1, version 2, this is version 3 of the system. And that has the same ring of cameras. It's the same fisheye lens on top. But instead of 5 megapixels, this is 45 megapixels. So one of my favorite projects I got to do was to take an entire car system and make it human portable. And so this was the Trekker. This is our current generation of cameras. So 140 megapixels, 30 times more power than that original Ladybug camera.
So we have Street View's next generation camera system.
It looks like it has handles. Are those actually handles?
Yes,
oh,
they're
okay.
handles. So this is 15 pounds. It's less than 15 pounds, so that we can just easily transport it to anywhere in the world, which is really exciting for us.
Are there a lot of places that you think this will enable you to get to that were not possible with the larger cameras?
We wanted to make something that was ultra portable so that we could really get it to the places that we haven't been before. And so we can send like a whole bunch, we can get the vehicles in country, and then we can start collecting there. So it was really designed with that portability in mind.
How did Street View get started and why?
Back in 2004, actually, Larry Page had a kind of crazy idea about producing almost an immersive visual kind of panoramic map of the world where people could go and visit places they'd never seen before, but from their own living room or something. And he convinced actually a small team of engineers here at Google to strap a camera on top of a van they had borrowed from the security team and drive around the roads right around here and capturing some of the first imagery of like the Google campus. Fast forward another 15 years and here we are. We've driven about 10 million miles with the cars. We've covered every continent. We've published in 102 countries. That's actually a big milestone we hit earlier in the year. And as a result of all of that work, in that theme of exploration, kind of tied back to Larry Page's original vision, you can climb a mountain, you can dive underwater, you can visit Antarctica, you can see the Meroe Pyramids, for instance, something we just launched earlier this week, and all of that from the comfort of your home.
Tell me a little bit about why you think Street View has endured over all these years.
I think there's something kind of magical about the telepresence angle. The fact that you can be, and even when it's not actually a big chunk of your visual field and it's just the panorama, there's something magical about actually feeling as though you're there. And ever since the very first versions we launched, that's been the compelling thing. It certainly is for me.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at CNN10.com, and we'll see you in August for daily episodes of CNN 10. I'm Carl Azuz.